This is the now ruined, modernized, gated Haughton service elevator at the Coronado Apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with Jared. This is, like I just said, this was originally a gated Haughton, but with the passengers still original from the 50s mod. Sadly, this one recently got modernized by Hadfield with innovation security. Very unnecessarily. This one was the good one. That one runs like crap, and they didn't mod that one. So this thing is tiny. Go up to 8. Are you coming? Okay. Hadfield. Let's see how well this thing runs. Here you go up. Oh boy. Jolt. Is this thing still single speed? Because this was single speed. Sounds like a Hollister Whitney. I don't know, maybe it's original after, I don't know. Yeah, this is a gated Haughton, but it just recently got modernized by Hadfield with innovation security. But the other one, the passenger one that got modernized to 50 is still the same. That one runs like crap. This one was just fine, they modernized. Like really, hopefully maybe they'll mod the other one next. I don't know, stupid. Here at 8. This thing is slow. Jerry, go back down to 1 and 1R. AFO, 1 ding for down. Here's a light fan combo, which we're whoa, oh yeah. Just like typical Hadfield, doesn't run very well. Basic and but nice, we don't count, kind of matching with the other one. What is in the feet of the social distancing box? That's weird. 2-person's mask, and I am wearing a mask. 3-speed doors, I didn't notice that at first. On the inside, it's 2-speed on the outside. I guess I exited on 1R when I filmed this one as original, so I guess I can do that again. This one's not as cool anymore. We're back at 1 and 1R. Here's something. Maybe Joe. Yeah, this side used to have a swing door. The other side I think was added later. They ruined this thing. It runs like crap. There it closes, and that's gonna be it. Oh, this one's 3-speed on the outside.